Hi, today in front of me Galaxy Tab 6 Lite 2022 and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So just to use Quick Launch from the power key button, for example to camera app, we should first open the settings and scroll down to advanced features. Here click to side key and switch and tap here on the switcher to double press. Now just tap to quick launch camera or open just another application. So for example, let's use camera application, and now just let's press twice to the power key and we can see that the camera app successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.